As we understand it, Hivemapper is a kind of a blockchain-based mapping network that turns dash cam footage into maps that are kind of constantly evolving. It rewards those contributors who capture that footage, the 4K footage, and with the native token Honey, and it's rolling out in the second half of this year. And then the editors of the map who process that footage and do quality assurance and annotate imagery, that sort of thing, are also rewarded with Honey tokens. So for us, it was really neat to kind of discover that there's kind of this symbiotic relationship between the mappers and ultimately the folks that are using the API. And the way that we were looking at it was anyone, any company or government agency that's using mapping software today theoretically could be a user of Hivemapper's kind of mapping system.
Yeah. Well, first of all, thank you for having me. That was a great summary. Very well captured. I think you said it really well. I think over time, what will happen is that there will be multiple layers to the map, right? So if you think of a dash cam just driving down the street, so there's two supported mount positions that the dash cam can be in. One is going to be forward facing. So it's seeing, stop lights and speed signs and all those kinds of information at street level. And then the other camera that you can also mount it in is side facing, where it's actually facing the buildings and the sidewalk. And that's capturing, business information. So, Sal's Pizza Shop, here's the hours of operation, here's the address, here's what the door looks like, all that kind of information. So that's the layer that we're starting with. There's a lot of economic activity that happens at street level, obviously. And then over time, add additional layers, right? So, even potentially doing at some point like 360 cameras, doing the airborne layer, doing traffic layer. So there will be additional layers over time in order to truly build out a global map like what you would see with Google Maps